My brother Sanad, we are now in the road to Bihash, inshallah. So, guys, want to say thank you so much to you. All of us say thank you so much, Sanad. There is Amin want to say something to you.
My brother Sanad, thank you for help and Jazakallah khairan, my brother Sanad. Wallah, you good man, wallah. Jazakallah khairan.
This is Muhammad.
My friend Sanad, thank you so much. Give me food, give me shoes, give me
Everything.
thank you so much. في الجنة إن شاء الله.
في الجنة إن شاء الله. سيز محمد كشكول.
Hello Sanad, thank you so much brother, thank you so much Sanad. Jazakallah khairan.
This is Amin.
خويا زبي غنتوحشك يا زبي. توحشك يا زبي. Thank you very much brother Sanad for everything. You and your friend, especially you, and we will tell you are the best journalist in the world. Thank you خويا تكفات.
سيزي محمد.
We will meet in next time.
Yes, wallah good, my brother Sanad, wallah good. Thank you so much.
سيز مصطفى. مصطفى يا مصطفى.
My friend, thank you Sanad. إن شاء الله إن شاء الله
في الجنة إن شاء الله. So my brother Sanad, we want to say thank you so much. Thank you so much for everything, you know, for help us when we was very sick. You know, when we was in the mosque before we meet you, we were always very sick. You know what we did? We raised our hands to the sky and says, Allah, please help us. You know the help of Allah was you. You and your friends. You are angels. Wallah, you are angels. Especially you, my friend. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, my brother.
If someone talking with me about Bosnia, I would say to them, when I was in Bosnia, I meet an angel. This angel was you, Sanad. Thank you so much. Thank you for everything.
Thank you.
When you find the evil, you always find the good. You are an angel, my friend. Thank you so much for everything. Thank you so much for all my heart. Thank you.
Thank you, my brother Sanad.
إن شاء الله في الجنة
إن شاء الله.
Goodbye, Zebbi. Please. I hope to put this video in your page in your Facebook to tell them, Bosnia. If you look for a real Islam, you're gonna find it in Bosnia. Even if some people try to give a bad picture about Islam in Bosnia, but you my friend, show us my friend, yes, you my friend, show us that there is a good in Bosnia, there is a good man in Bosnia, there is good. Thank you so much, my friend. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sanad. Thank you so much, my brother.
إن شاء الله ونوصل فيها إن شاء الله. وكانت من التوفيق.
If we have a